So, you need some more help. All right, let's start with naming the shape. Well, remember all of these shapes are named from their base. So let's look at the base. The base is this. What shape is that? That should help. It's a rectangle. So it's going to be a rectangular something. And then we look at the points here, and it looks like if I fold all of these triangles up, they're going to come up to a single point that's going to be right in there, making this pyramid. So there's a little help. And then you just find the area of each of the spaces. So you've got area of a rectangle there. That's going to be length times width. And then you have the area of some triangles. And let me help maybe with some shading. This triangle, that triangle, is the exact same size as that triangle. And remember, you find the area of a triangle by taking 1/2 of the base times the height. 1/2 the base times the height. But those two triangles are going to be the same. And then you can also see, let me shade another one here, that these two triangles are going to be the same. Oh, that's a gross color. Yuck. Anyway, those two are the same. So again, 1/2 of the base times the height. And when you find the areas of all 5 of those shapes, 4 triangles and 1 rectangle, and you add them together, you should get the area of the entire surface, or the surface area of this shape. Okay? All right, good luck. I hope that helps. See you next time.